Hi everyone and welcome to this video. I'm Antoine, real estate broker at Marsan Immobilier. Today I'm showing you a 2-bedroom apartment that we have for sale in the Millennium Building. It boasts 75 square meter inside and 20 outside on the balconies. And if you glance behind me, you'll actually see the new urban development, the Ilot Pasteur one, which will host the Collège Charles III. And on the right side, you'll see the district of Fontvieille, which will have a direct access through elevators right below. Now that we've talked about the area and the development around, let's see a little bit more about the property itself. So right now I'm in the living room. As you can see, it's pretty bright. It's 5 p.m. and you still get a lot of sun in the apartment. This room is connected to the main balcony. And what could be done here to improve the size of the room is actually to break down this wall and connect it to the kitchen. By blending both of them together, it would look way more modern and you would gain at least 10 square meters to the living area. Walking back this way, we'll find the guest toilet, the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. So let's start with the first bedroom. Very bright, double-sided windows facing south and facing west. Also connected to the main balcony. What could also be done here is to open up this wall and add a second bathroom where the guest toilet is right now. Let's get to the second bedroom. Pretty much the same size in width and length, but you get your own balcony, which is nice if you want to hang out or if you want to have more privacy. Each room has its own AC, so you can control the temperature independently. To finish off, this is the bathroom that comes with both bedrooms. You get the double sink, bathtub, toilet and bidet on the left. This apartment is listed for 3,750,000 euros, comes with a cellar and the parking can be added on top. This roughly comes down to 41,000 euro per square meter. We believe it's a great investment for the future because of how much the area is being developed. This could be a do-it-yourself project if you want to actually make it your own place, or could be also a great long-term investment if you want to rent it out. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. If you wish to know more details about the property or wish to schedule a visit, contact me directly through WhatsApp, emails or phone. All the contact information are in the description below. See you in the next video.